Hey, my book club members, Cal here from Wild Success. Hope you're having an incredible day. I just jumped off a conference call with the guys from my book club. We're pumped for tonight. I'm going to be doing the masterclass with you guys tonight around peak performance, how you go about living a wild life. And I'm going to be taking you through tonight as, I guess, a signature sequence that we put together to help clients like you achieve a high level of success in any area of their life. So, a bit of background. I started my company when I was 23 years old. I was $40,000 in debt, and we grew to $100,000 in 90 days, $1 million in 10 months. And since then, we've worked with 200,000 people around the world in 85 countries, made tens of millions of dollars, changed lives. It's been an incredible journey. In that time, what I've found in my work in peak performance and helping people heal trauma and just overcome the blocks and barriers of self-sabotage is that traditionally there are three things that hold people back. I'm going to go through that tonight. But then once you identify what they are, there's really only a couple of things that you have to really change in order to create real transformation in your life and to achieve a higher level of success. So most of you, if you're watching this video, you're already very successful, but you're looking for that edge, you're looking for that next level, whatever that looks like in your own life. We're going to show you how to get there. And the secret is not about working harder. It's about understanding the 80-20 principle, the Pareto principle for life, and understanding that actually, if you can pull on a few strategic levers, you can produce exponential results in your life. But it starts with your mindset. It starts with you understanding the mentality of someone that wins, and it's about understanding as well, most importantly, how to create a compelling vision for yourself and align every aspect of your life so that you're moving towards what you want rather than away from what you don't want. We're going to go through that and a whole heap more. It's going to be an amazing masterclass. I hope to see you on the call live so we can obviously have a Q&A and dialogue about it as well. But until I see you tonight, be bold, have fun, go make an impact in the world. I'll see you on the wild side. Thanks, guys.